Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to our letter of the day. Our letter today says, Our letter today is U. Our letter is actually a vowel. A vowel can say its name and say a sound that's like its name. So letter U says, and it can say you. All right, boys and girls, you're going to be on your bottoms for this one. You're going to put your knees in the air, bend them, put your feet out, and you're going to put your arms flat on the ground with your head up. You're going to make that letter U. Take a big deep breath. Wonderful job, boys and girls. So, does anyone remember what I said that a letter U was? It starts with a V, it says vowel. Letter U is a vowel, so it can say a few different things. So we're going to see what all it can say. I know I have one word that is unicycle. A unicycle is the letter U saying its own name. And an umbrella says So letter U can say more than one thing. So we'll have our umbrella up. Then we're going to see what letter U looks like. Now this is a way some people write letter U, but we're going to write it a little bit different. We're going to give it a little tail just to give it a little more pizzazz. So get your marker out. So our U, we're going to start over here. Bring it down and then bring it up. And then you're going to bring it down and make a little tail. That's our uppercase U. Our lowercase u is going to look just the same, just a little bit smaller. So we're going to start down, go over, go down, and go out. U's seem like they're written very quickly, but I promise you'll get the hang of it. Now, let's look for examples of friends with letter U in their name. Mia. Lulu. Lulu has two U's in her name. We'll put that right up, and we're going to highlight our letters U and U. All right, let's keep going. Allie, Jackson, Jacob, Lily, Aiden, Penny, Alexander, Gabriel, Oliver, Leandra, Savannah, Tristan, Taylin, Christian. We have no other friends with a U in their name. Now, I'm going to give you a few examples of friends I have with letter U in their name. I have a friend named Sue. Sue has a letter U in the middle of her name. What other friends do I have with letter U in their names? Can you help me? I'm just running out of ideas. So if you have a friend with letter U in their name, let me know because I'd love to learn more about letter U. The only other thing I can think of right now is the word uncle. Now, uncle, you might have some of those. I'm going to show you what uncle looks like. Uncle. Now, Mr. Wagaman is Uncle Eric to my nieces, our nieces, Mackenzie and Kaylin, and our nephew, Finley. But uncle is a word you might know, because you might have some uncles with some fun names. Now, let's see how many friends we came up with the letter U in their name. 1, 2, 3. Now, how many of those friends were in our class? 1. So I'm going to teach you something very simple. 1 out of 3 of our friends had a letter U. And 1 out of 3 of them were in our class, because the 2 were not in our class. So that's just a little simple fraction. Don't have to worry about it. Just thought I'd teach you something fun today. Now let's figure out what our challenge is going to be. It says find blank objects in your home that begin or have letter U in them. Are you ready? Make your prediction. 1 through 6. How many objects do you have to find today? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 objects with letter U in them. Now, we have to see, what does letter U say? Remember, there are two things. We have and we have U. So remember, unicycle and umbrella. 2 different sounds. So let's say the first sound together. We're going to use the sound. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to use the U sound. 1, 2, 3. U. Excellent job, boys and girls. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.